Happy birthday to my darling daughter, Alicia. May God bless you with all the happiness in the world. No matter how many birthdays come and go, you will still be my little princess. Love you, Alicia.
So this is for you, my Anna, my Elsa, my only Princess Alicia. Wishing you a great birthday and many, many, many more to come. You're one amazing daughter. We love you so much. You're my only treasure. When it comes to personality, you positively rule like your mom. Be rocking, be you, be nice, be kind. We love you so much. Happy birthday.
It's going to be a wonderful day today because it's going to be my princess's happiest ever 5th birthday. I wish her all the best in her life. We love her. We love you, Alicia. We adore you. You are the princess of our Sadhwani family. Love you, Annie.
Hello, Ishu. It's your birthday. Oh my God, you're turning 5. Cannot believe it. Okay, happy birthday and enjoy your day. And I sent you so many gifts, Ishu. Hope you will enjoy every gift. And do send me a video of yours when you get my gifts. And I miss you so much. I'll be with you soon, very soon.
I love you, Alicia. How are you, Alicia? I miss you so much. Happy birthday to you. When are you coming to India, Alicia?
Kinjali, love you. Happy birthday. It's your birthday today. I wish I could be there with you to celebrate your birthday, but I can't. But God bless you. Enjoy your day. Love you, Kinjali. Bye.
Hey Alicia, it's your 5th birthday. Happy birthday to you. You know, beta, I always wanted a daughter. When you came in this world, my wish got fulfilled. I know I'm not there with you physically, but in spirit, I'm always there with you, around you. God bless you with His most choicest blessings. Many more birthdays to come. I love you and God bless you.
Hi Alicia, happy birthday to you. God bless you. I love you. Enjoy your day. I will celebrate your birthday with you when I come there, and we'll have a blast, and I'll give you a lot of gifts. Okay? Bye.
So I wish I was there with you. I love you so much. God bless you. I miss you very much. Bye.
Hello Alicia, I wish you very happy birthday, my dear sweet girl, drama queen. God bless you, love you a lot.
Many happy returns of the day, Alicia.
Hi, happy birthday to you, Alicia. God bless you. Keep smiling always. Love you all.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to dear Alicia. Happy birthday to you. I'm your Mossy, like mom. My daughter, happy birthday, my cute little Alicia, my googly. Masi loves you always and God bless you with good health, happiness and good knowledge always. Masi is there for you always, bacha. We love your smile and we all are eagerly waiting to meet you. Love you and God bless you very much. Once again, many happy returns from me and your son.